Biji-biji Initiative. Biji-biji Initiative is a Malaysian and environmental-based social enterprise company that provides a range of upcycling and art installation services. The core solutions by Biji-biji Initiative are in the fields of green technology, sustainabiity consultancy, design and fabrication, ethical fashion, skills education. Currently, its operations are based at 2 open workshops in Jalan Ipoh, Kuala Lumpur, and a factory in Klang, Selangor. Background: Biji-biji was formed in December 2012, beginning by tackling environmental issues through upcycling and repurposing waste into gifts and products. Biji-biji opened their first open workshop in Jalan Sungkai, off Jalan Ipoh in 2013. The main activities done is woodworking and metalworking. Later in 2015, a second open workshop was opened at Jalan Nangka, off Jalan Ipoh. The main activities in this workshop are electronics, stitching, and tailoring. Besides that, Biji-biji also practices open source ideas, which is idea and information sharing. Biji-biji will be basing its operations from a public-friendly makerspace from May 2017 in Publica, Kuala Lumpur. Collaborations, awards. Biji-biji, along with 5 others Malaysia social enterprises, received funding from the AGP British Council Entrepreneurs for Good Wave 1 program. Biji-biji received RM58,000 grants awarded by Shell Malaysia. Biji-biji won the coveted Tan Sri Entrepreneurship Award of RM250,000 at the Alliance Bank BizSmart Academy SME Innovation Challenge 2014 Grand Finale Awards ceremony. Biji-biji became the recipient of the Technology Innovation Award for 2015 Frost and Sullivan Malaysia Excellence Awards. References